Volodymyr Bilokonь is the artist behind this installation, highlighting the importance of safe sex. He says the large coil of electrical wire and the street light powered by it represent a loving couple.
We've decided to avoid using the typical depiction of the condom shape and decided to put everything together into a symbolic installation with a condom as part of it.
Passers-by take out their smartphones not to snap some pictures, but to gain access to the visual aids that go with the sculpture.
Розказує, всіх навчимо, як правильно користуватися презервативами, зруйнуємо всі міфи.
The video, among other things, contains information about the HIV virus.
It is very difficult to put a whole lot of information into one art object, but with a smartphone, one can find out a lot about how to use condoms.
Meanwhile, the organizers collected the most common myths of Ukrainians about contraception and debunked them.
Є смішні, а є не смішні.
There are myths that are funny, but there are also those that really aren't. A funny one is that using 2 condoms, some people believe, will double the protection. But in reality, this can lead to both of them tearing. Meanwhile, others refuse to believe that condoms offer protection and just choose not to use them.
Next to the art installation, the organizers opened a mobile medical booth that allows anyone to take an express HIV test free of charge.
The accuracy is very high, 99% or more. If a person gets tested positive, then of course one should do another test in a dedicated medical establishment, first of all to make sure, and secondly to receive qualified medical advice.
AHF Ukraine says their mobile brigades encounter more HIV-positive test results in small towns and villages where sex education is less accessible. The sculpture was unveiled on International Condom Day. Reported by Evgenia Burda, UATV.